What if everything you believe about yourself is not actually true? What if your thoughts, your emotions, even your identity are not what they seem? In this video series, we are going to explore one of the deepest teachings in Buddhism. Wait, don't stop. Most people understand Buddhism as simple teachings like kindness, meditation, and letting go. But that is only the surface. There is a deeper system that explains reality in incredible detail. But don't worry, we are going to explain everything in a very simple, clear, and practical way. No complicated words, no confusion, just real understanding. Most of us live life on the surface. We feel happy, we feel angry, we feel stressed, but we don't really understand what is happening inside us. Why do we react? Why do we suffer? Why can't we control our thoughts sometimes? This series will answer those questions. In this series, we are going to break down your experience, step by step. We will explore, what is the mind, really? Is it one continuous thing or something else? We will look at emotions. What is anger? What is happiness? Do they belong to you, or do they just appear? We will also explore the body. Is your body solid, or is it constantly changing? And most importantly, we will look at the idea of you. Is there really a fixed self, or is that just something we believe? This is not just theory. When you understand how your mind works, you start reacting less. You don't get carried away by every emotion. You begin to see thoughts are just thoughts. Feelings are just feelings. They come and they go. And that changes everything. In this series, we will go step by step. Each video will focus on one simple idea. We will use examples from real life so you can clearly understand, not just in theory, but in your own experience. By the end of this series, you will start seeing life differently, not as a fixed story, but as a flow of changing events. And that is the beginning of true understanding. Let's begin.